Welcome back to the plot, everyone. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday all day today. It's a lot drier than what it was yesterday, so I've been able to get on with some work this morning with a new seating area that I'm arranging underneath the green gage tree. The workmen, the construction workers, they're not so noisy today as well, so it's been quite a pleasant morning. But let me turn the camera around and I'll show you where we are so far. Right, this is the area where it's going to go. What I've done is I've levelled out the ground as best I can, and I've put the tarp over it. I've pegged the tarp down with tent pegs going along three edges, and on the leading edge I've put this sort of wooden batten down with pegs going in, purely just to stop me tripping over the edge and ripping the whole thing up, because I know that's what will happen if I leave it down. So hopefully that'll be a lot safer with that wooden edge there. I've had to put down some ant powder because I disturbed quite a large ant's nest, and I'm quite sensitive to their bites, so I don't fancy getting bitten by them. So that's where we are so far. This is what we're going to put here instead, on top of the thing. It's a garden bench really, with storage inside. As you can see, you can lift the seating area up and store stuff inside. I don't think I'll be storing lots of balls and toys in it, but I'll find room to store some stuff in it. So without any further ado, I'm going to get on and crack on with this and get it in place so I can have a nice sit down and a nice cup of coffee. So let me just set the camera up and you can watch and see how well I do. This is quite good. I could enjoy this. Just need to get a couple of little side tables for each side so you can put your tea and coffees or tea and biscuits on. But yeah, I'm glad this is up now. Took a bit longer than I thought, but there you go, it's up now. There you go, that's the new bench up. Right at the first screw I managed to slice my finger, and the small cordless screwdriver was struggling. It needs recharge. I meant to do that last night. I was too busy recharging everything else, the cameras, the mics, speakers and iPods. But that's up. Let me bring in close for a closer look. There's a few screws left over, but I have used the correct amount of screws at the various stages. So it opens up so we can store stuff inside. Okay. Not quite sure what I'm going to store in there, but I'll find something. There's always it's always a good place to hide stuff. So I'm having a little trouble with my tripod at the minute. Well, that's it for the moment. I'm going to have a cup of coffee and a well-deserved rest. Then I'm going to empty one of the bags of potatoes, the one that looks like it's dying off. So I'm going to do that. I'll bring you back and show you what I get from the pot of potatoes. I'm not expecting too much because they were put into the pot slate. So we'll see what we get. Okay, so I've got this bag of potatoes. I'm going to empty out. All the foliage has died back, so there's nothing really more going to come of these. Actually, I'll put these down there. They were late going in the ground, so I'm not expecting an awful lot. Although there's a couple. Just going to get a seed tray. Okay, I'm back. Now I think these ones were Desiree, which as you can tell is a red potato or a pink potato. Actually, this isn't not too bad considering how long they've been in. Yeah, I wasn't too sure about this compost either. It seems to be very fibrous. Just take all the little ones out so they don't reseed. Lots of little wood lice. I think that's it, but that's not too bad. I mean, a couple of good sized ones, a few small ones, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. That's it, I'm going to call it a day now today. I've had a good day, got all my jobs done that I'd planned, so I'm quite happy about that. Tomorrow's forecast to be very rainy, so no work for the allotment tomorrow. Probably no work on here Friday either. Saturday I'm going to go and visit my mum, so there'll be no work on the allotment Saturday, and haven't thought about Sunday yet, too far ahead in the future. So let me just show you what I've achieved today. Well, I've put the cover on the bench, so it can rain all at once tonight. It's going to be nice and dry. In that bed there, I've planted all those little Swedes that I had in cell trays, and I've weeded the bed as well. I've picked a few beans, I've emptied a potato pot. Let me just show you what I've got for taking home. So I've got a bag of Desiree potatoes, I've got a blown broccoli, but still savable. I'm thinking I might try and save this. So I was going to do some Bombay potatoes tonight, but I might change it and make some aloo gobi, which is a cauliflower and potato curry. I've got onions and tomatoes and garlic, chillies. I've got a little bit of ginger from the supermarket. So I've got another bag of tomatoes, yeah, almost forgot what they're called there. And I've got a little bag of beans. So not a bad haul for today. So I think that's going to be me for today. I'm going to sign off now. I hope you all have a good week wherever you are, and I'll see you all next time I'm back at the plot, hopefully. Bye for now.